Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the topic of birds and insects. Hey kids, do you know these tiny friends with wings? How to say eagle in Chinese? Let's point here to listen.
老鹰，老鹰，八个，八个，云雀，云雀，猫头鹰，猫头鹰，鹦鹉，鹦鹉，丹顶鹤，丹顶鹤，燕子，燕子，翠鸟，翠鸟，火烈鸟，火烈鸟。
Enjoy your music here.
小燕子穿花衣，绵里春天。啄木鸟，啄木鸟。
How about peacock?
孔雀，孔雀。乌鸦，乌鸦。鸽子，鸽子。鸵鸟，鸵鸟。巨嘴鸟，巨嘴鸟。蜂鸟，蜂鸟。麻雀，麻雀。海鸥，海鸥。
Okay, let's move to next topic, insects. Firefly here is so amazing, its tail lights up.
萤火虫，萤火虫。蛾，蛾。蚊子，蚊子。苍蝇，苍蝇。蟋蟀，蟋蟀。蜜蜂，蜜蜂。蝉，蝉。蚂蚁，蚂蚁。蝴蝶，蝴蝶。金龟子，金龟子。春象，春象。锹形甲虫，锹形甲虫。蚱蜢，蚱蜢。毛毛虫，毛毛虫。螳螂，螳螂。蜻蜓，蜻蜓。七星瓢虫，七星瓢虫。天牛，天牛。
Okay, here are the two topics for today. Next video, we will show you more. We are the sound book supplier in China. For more information, please visit our website. See you next time.